Just finished my course with Dr. Seema Midha. It has been an enlightening experience after coming here. She's a wonderful mentor. There's a lot that I learned, and she has gone out of her way to give me this experience of learning in numerology and tarot. There's a lot that can be learned. Obviously, I had my doubts initially when I came, whether this line will be good for me, whether I will be able to help people with this knowledge, whether the knowledge can be imparted by somebody in just a few days. But all my doubts were cleared on the first day after interaction with her. She was so positive, and the kind of energy that she gave me, that I could do it, and this could be a possibility even for a normal person like me, that I can go out and help people. So the first day was obviously the interaction with her, and the second day I came in, and we started off with this class of numerology and tarot. The syllabus was given, and the syllabus was very structured as to what can be taught, and the way I will learn it. There were a lot of practical sessions also. I was shadowing her in certain cases. So there's a lot of exposure that is given by her, and she pushes you to the core. As in, even if you do not have the confidence to go ahead, she will push you till the time you get up to that level. So as a teacher, she's been wonderful. I don't think so I could have got a better teacher than her. And the kind of course material that is provided, you will be surprised that in a short span of 10-12 days a person can know so much about tarot and numerology. Not only that, even apart from that, the way it is applied together as a combination and to get accurate readings, that is even more surprising. Obviously, when people come to you, you want to help them. That is the main thing. So there are a lot of numbers, the value